Hello again. Today we're going to look at positive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, their and our. Those are positive adjectives and we're going to use those in sentences today. Are you ready? Welcome to my channel. My name's Margaret. Today we're going to look at positive adjectives. Her car is parked in the driveway. Her car. So it's the girl. Her car. Her car. She has a car. So if I put the pronoun she has a car, it's her car. Their house is located in a quiet neighbourhood. Their house. Their house is located in a quiet neighbourhood. Their house. They have a house. It's their house. His phone is ringing. Can you answer it for him? His phone. His is the boy. His phone. He has a phone. Can you answer it? His phone is ringing. Our dog loves to play fetch in the backyard. Our dog. We have a dog. We have a dog. Our dog loves to play fetch. Dog belongs to us. It's our dog. Your parents called to remind you about the family dinner tonight. Your parents. You have parents? It's your parents. My favourite book is on the shelf in my room. My favourite book. I have a favourite book. My favourite book is Harry Potter. What's your favourite book? Great. Its tail wagged happily as the dog greeted its owner. Its. Its. So it's the dog. We don't know if it's a he or she. So it is it. Its tail. Okay? So I hope this makes sense. We're looking at possessive adjectives today. And I put in the pronouns just to show you how the possessive adjectives represent possession after we have a pronoun. I hope that's made a lot of sense to everyone. If you have a question, please don't forget to make a comment below and I will answer any questions you have. But please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and I'll welcome to see you again. Bye bye for now.